Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to find downloads on Android. So I'll show the step-by-step process of finding it. If you want to learn, keep watching the video till the end. First of all, you have to search the file manager option in your Android phone. In my case, here the file manager, I have to click on the file manager first. Then from here you will get the different option of files, suppose images, videos, docs, musics. From here you have to find the downloads option. Here this is the download options. After getting the download options, you have to click this downloads. This page will appear. From here you can find all of your downloads files, videos, images or other documents. So in this way actually you can find downloads on Android. So thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.